All right, yo, what's up, everybody? We are back with our magic ramp deck. We lowered our curve a little bit. We added some more removal. And we're gonna see how it goes. Is this good though? Ooh, this is kind of tricky. We're gonna keep it though. You know how we be doing it. We go risky. Last game we lost against War. It was an Olympian War deck. And we didn't have enough removal. Tell me it's gonna happen again. No. Well, we're gonna get some removal here with Demetrio. So what's up? At the start of your turn, right? Upgrade. All right, so this will be 2 damage, draw 2. That'll be good. We'll take care of one of these 2/2s. All right, what are we gonna take? 4 to the face here. What else you got? More creatures? Oh, this guy gets pumped up. Whoa, and a frontline protector. All right, that's a bit of a problem. We don't like that. But we're gonna do what we gotta do here and get rid of you, bro. You too strong now. Oh, we draw a 7-drop. Not the best, but we draw a another 7-drop, I guess. Unbound Flames. It's removal though. It is removal. Damn, all right, what's going on here? Budget War? Can we beat Budget War with our makeshift magic ramp deck? We better. Guess I just lay horde out here. See, ramp's tough, man, because it really stinks in the early game. So I got to get these ramp cards out now. Ooh, all right, opponent taking a trade. Well then, I gotta get these ramp cards out now, dude. What do I say here? Scholar plus another scholar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do that, we'll have 6 mana next turn for 2 more. I need removal though. Damn, am I in the same spot as last time where I just need removal, yo? If we don't ramp, what do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can just unbound flame this creature. Nah, I think we're gonna ramp it again. We're gonna ramp it again. We just need removal then. All right, I'm learning this lesson very hard. We need removal, or maybe frontline creatures. Maybe that'll work. Oh shit, he just pumped this guy up to a 9/9. Yo, pumpy pumpers. Yeah, I put 2 Stormstress in the deck, so that's not terrible, I guess. 2 Stormstress. But if our opponent has removal for this Stormstress, dude, we're gonna be dead. Oh, all right, they don't have removal. They attack. That's good sign. Blitz, okay. Need something good here. Shadow Scryer, that's not gonna do it. What do we do? I guess I just unbound flames everybody. Gotta do it, right? Clears the board. Then I get this bull. Get the frontline bull. Go. Okay. Hoplite, fine. If you must. Another unbound flames. What do we do here now? We ramp up. Play our frontliner. 3, 6, 7. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do this. Then we can play Helmna. Maybe we can gain some extra health. I don't think we're going to, but maybe we can. Okay, what's this guy do? Blitz. He don't do nothing. Put this on the bottom. We play Helmner now? Or do we just turn this into a 1-1? We played a Palace. Man, I really wish Palace had backline. That'd be so good. That's all we got, dude. That's all we got. Okay, well, that guy's a problem. He got blitz. Shit. He do. He really, really do. Form of power. Uh-oh, coming to the face. We got ward though. Ooh, keep that Hellion Elite. We want that. 3 damage to this dude. Draw a couple cards, maybe. Draw another card. Okay. I guess we could just ping this 1-3. Well, you know what? Our opponent showed us that they got pump spells. Let's get rid of this card. And if they got another pump spell, that is going to be a problem for us. They could just win, actually, probably. Right? With that pump spell. +5, +5. Alright, what are they doing? Form of power, okay. Down to 6. And they play this. That which aches. We'll keep that. I think we got to heal up at this point. Or we play a Hellion Elite. 3, 4, 5, 6. Ugh! I would be so greedy though to play a Hellion Elite first. But I can't because 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can answer the Hellion Elite, I just lose. But with Helmna, I don't just lose. So let's do it like this. Okay, good. God Blitz. Oh shit. Oh, they're gonna take 5 to the face? Okay. They don't care, right? They don't care. Still seems like this deck is a little too slow. Worm's Breath. I'll keep it. Alright, that's a really good draw though. It's turkey. Wish I had lifesteal. Yeah, just keep all that. I think is good. Do we want a card? Nah, we'll wait. We'll wait. We're still low though. We need some more life gain. Guess we just play Hellion Elite. Crystal Tech Scholar is a dead card now. Did I break that protected? All right, we're at 4 health, 2 turns. We need protected on our god. Or else we're just dead. Shaped Blast. I don't know. Do we want that? Are we just dead? Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we just win though. Now we just win. All right, we just race. Worm's Breath. Boom. I was close. We were 1 turn away from dying. All right, I don't know though. I still don't think this deck is great. Still gonna tune it up. We'll see where we go. All right, that's gonna be it for this one. Thank y'all for watching. Later.